Boxes, but never that. At least he's a home fan. Well, he's caught a few things this season, Ali Al-Habsi. I bet he never thought he'd be called upon to catch that. Treat it very carefully, we're watching. I don't think there'll be any eggs from him in the morning.